morning, everybody. Dustin here at Supercar Sunday, brought to you by Porsche Woodland Hills. Today's Classic Chevy Day, 7 o'clock. The event starts at 7 o'clock, and this is what it looks like at 7 a.m. Do a quick walkthrough, and another beautiful morning. The best part about Supercar Sunday is we bring everybody together. We have our big Porsche Day, the second Sunday of every month, which is got to be the biggest weekly Porsche event probably in the world. And we've got today's Classic Chevy Days. This was 1 week worth of promotion. Basically, I sent out an email on Monday, and the cars keep coming in. You know, amazing LS swaps to all original concourse cars. We got everything.
Morning, Dustin.
How are you?
All right, man.
Looking good.
Thanks. Fresh tank of gas can't hurt, man.
Yep.
What's up, Dustin?
How are you guys?
Good.
Love that car. Love that color. I've got a 69, but it doesn't look like that. Someday.
Yeah. You gotta get a bigger trailer. You can bring it too.
Yeah, I know. What do you say, fellas?
How we doing?
Another beautiful day. Thank you guys for always being here. Classic Chevys of SoCal. Let me get this logo back here. This is one of the best
There you go.
car clubs in California, maybe the United States, maybe the world.
I'm thinking.
Maybe the world.
I'm thinking you're there.
Right? These guys are fantastic. They do so much for charity. They're just an amazing group of people. Known them forever. And look them up. Look up their website. They do a big event to support an orphanage in Chatsworth. This car's stunning. Another beautiful car.
I'm literally right here. You like the Wood Ranch area? So on Sunset Hill. Yeah. Well, I'm at Sunset Hill, so I'm not between our literally, you get off Sunset Hill.
One of my favorite Chevys right here. Look at this thing. I'm gonna open the door because Doug's one of my best friends, so he's not gonna mind. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, I'm gonna sign off right now. I'm gonna go say hello to some friends. Supercarsunday.com, PorscheWoodlandHills.com. Follow us on social media, like, subscribe, more to come. Hey guys, Dustin here at Supercar Sunday. Today's Classic Chevy Day. Check it out. How beautiful. We get so many cool cars here. We've been doing this event well over 2 decades. We'll be approaching 3 decades soon. Time flies, but we get great cars, great people, bring the community together. This is where real car enthusiasts come. It's not about what you drive, it's about who you are and your passion for cars. Supercar Sunday, thank you Porsche Woodland Hills for sponsoring it. You gotta love Porsche Woodland Hills. And more videos to come. Another great morning. Doing what we do.
Thanks for the help.
You got it. More to come, ladies and gentlemen. More to come.